Welcome to a short video about how to access the iGETT website resources that can help you learn or teach remote sensing. iGETT is a National Science Foundation grant to help educators learn remote sensing concepts and software, access and use Landsat data and other remote sensing data, and create exercises to use in their programs or to share with other educators. The web page links on the left lead to pages that describe the iGETT grant. I'm going to click on About Us and look at the iGETT staff, participants, and the background. You can read about what iGETT stands for and what the objectives were, or find out about participants, or find the photo gallery of people who have attended iGETT. Next, I want to take a look at training resources. This page has links on the right side of the page to different types of training and educational resources. These resources are being updated right now. Instructor training and other resources will be combined into one page that will allow you to find PowerPoints, agendas, webinars, and exercises created by the iGETT staff, or links to other sites with useful educational materials, including tutorials on remote sensing and videos from NASA. These pages are being updated, so please come back and check often to find out the new materials and the new resources. I'm going to click on Learning Unit Exercises. Learning units are the outcome of participants and their work at iGETT. Each learning unit was created by a participant and contains 3 documents: an instructor's guide, a student guide, and a curriculum support document. The instructor guide will help you use the materials in your course. The student guide includes all of the step-by-step steps needed for your students to do more. The curriculum support document will also help you add it to your curriculum. Each exercise also comes with all of the data that is needed for that exercise. As we look down, you can find out more information. You can see all of the thumbnails that represent all of the different exercises that have been created by the iGETT participants. They're pretty small, so let's take a look at one of them by expanding them. You can do this simply by mousing over the view. A larger example comes up of that thumbnail, which will tell you the title of the learning unit, the topic, the problems, the level, the software, a description about the learning unit, keywords, and who created it and how to access more help. Another way to learn about the learning units is to open up a PDF document. Learning unit exercises by focus area. This is a web page PDF that you can print and keep for your records. Each of the learning units are divided into and identified by their application focus area. In this case, agriculture, climate change, conservation biology, their learning unit title, the author's institution, and then the level of the remote sensing part of the learning unit. Returning to the exercise page, we can then look at how you can access those learning unit documents and data. One way is to click here and register to access a learning unit. By clicking on that link, a web page opens for you to log in and access and download the data. If you haven't logged in yet, you can create an account. I'm going to log in to my site. It welcomes me to the site, and then I can click here to view and download the learning units, or I can download and access other materials. This looks very similar to the last page we looked at, but it really has one difference. Right now it says download learning unit files. Click on any one of the ones that you want to download, and now you can go in and download the learning unit summary, the instructor guide, student guide, curriculum support documents, any other documents such as PowerPoints that may have been created, and all the data files. As you can see, even for this one learning unit, there's a lot of files to download. Another way is to go to this FTP site and log in using the iGETT LU words and the password. This is DMC lowercase 99 and then uppercase IG. This will take you to an FTP site where the same material can be downloaded perhaps a little bit easier. I'm going to return to the login page. Now we're going to look at an easier way for you to access the learning units. You can actually go to a web page and request 4 learning units be sent to you. First, be sure and document what the title of the learning units are that you want. Then, click on the form to request learning units. Now you won't have to log in, but you will have to fill out a form with your name, institution, city, state, so that we have your mailing address. We're requesting your phone number and email just in case there's any questions that come up. Then click on the 4 learning units, holding the control key down and scrolling down to any of the titles that you want. At this point, don't forget to check this box that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Generally, these terms and conditions say that the materials are for educational use only. All you do then is click the submit button. An email is sent to me, and I should, within the next 5 business days after receiving your email with your information, be mailing you a DVD with those documents, all 3 documents, and any data that you need to do this. I'm going to go back to the home page. So click on Home. Please do check back as we are updating the learning unit exercises to new versions of the software, reorganizing the training resources so that you can find them easier, and also putting any information about future institutes beyond them. I hope that we will be adding additional training events, so send us an email to let you know about future professional development opportunities or to tell you that we have updated the materials. If you have any comments, please use a link or email me at ann@bearmountain.com. Thanks.